In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the verified tick on X, formerly Twitter, in a simple step-by-step way. If you've been wondering how to unlock the blue checkmark, this guide will walk you through the exact process so you can choose the right premium plan and complete your subscription without confusion. This is a useful option for creators, business owners, and anyone who wants to boost their presence on the platform. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open X in your browser or app and log into your account. Once you're on the main home screen, look at the left-hand navigation menu. This is where you'll find the main options for your account, including your profile, notifications, and settings. In that left-hand menu, click on Premium. This section is where X offers the subscription plans that can help you get the verified tick on your account. After clicking Premium, you'll be taken to a page that shows the available plans. Here, you'll usually see options like Premium or Premium Plus. Take a moment to review what each plan includes, because the features and benefits can vary depending on which one you choose. If you just want the verification tick and core premium features, the standard premium plan may be enough. If you want extra tools and more advanced benefits, Premium Plus may be a better choice. Next, decide whether you want to pay monthly or annually. Monthly is a good option if you want flexibility and don't want to commit long term. Annually can be better if you want to save time by paying once for the full year, and in some cases it may offer better value overall. Select the plan that suits you best, then choose your billing option carefully before moving forward. Once you've selected the plan and payment cycle, follow the on-screen instructions to complete your payment. X will guide you through the checkout process step by step, so just make sure your payment details are correct and that you review everything before confirming. After your payment goes through, your subscription will be activated and your account will begin the process of showing the verified tick based on the platform's current requirements. It's always a good idea to double check your account details, profile photo, and basic profile information as well, because a complete and active profile can help your account look more professional. And that's it. You've now learned how to get the verified tick on X by going to Premium, choosing the right plan, picking monthly or annual billing, and completing the payment process. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy how-to videos just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.